Have you been struggling to find the best foods to eat on a ketogenic diet? Truth be told, sometimes it can be hard to figure out if a specific food will fit into your keto lifestyle. As you know, the keto diet emphasizes higher intakes of fats and lower intakes of carbohydrates. This is in an effort to teach your body to better utilize a fat fuel source known as ketones. Ketones are only available to be drawn on when muscle and liver glycogen from carbohydrates are at a very low amount. This is why the keto diet will work best when you consume lower amounts of carbohydrates, especially if you can continue this for multiple days. So, what are the best foods you can consume on a keto diet? We know that a keto diet will work best when you can consume higher amounts of fat, but it's also important to keep your caloric allowance in check when you want to lose weight. Remember, fat is more than twice as calorically dense as carbohydrates and protein. If you want to succeed on a keto diet for more effective weight management, you should look to sources of fat that are moderately low in saturated fats. Saturated fats have also been shown to be detrimental to your health and can even cause some chronic diseases to arise. So, you're left with foods that are mostly high in unsaturated fats, lean protein sources, and low carbohydrate vegetables. These foods will help you to maximize your keto lifestyle. 1. Avocados. Not only are avocados rich in fat, but they also contain many essential vitamins and minerals for healthy growth. In general, they can be a little expensive, but they cost less than getting your fats from nuts and seeds. Top tip: take the avocado seed out and use it as your window plant. With a couple months, you'll have a beautiful little avocado plant. 2. Seafood. Seafood is one of the best sources of protein and fats anyone can eat. Seafood is generally less expensive than many meats and provides a great source of essential nutrients, amino acids, and unsaturated fats. Top seafood choices include salmon and squid as they contain high protein and very low carbohydrates. Unfortunately, more and more seafood nowadays is high in mercury, so it's important to go the extra mile to source seafood that is mercury-free. 3. Low-carb veggies. You will need some carbs in your diet, and our top choices are vegetables that are low in carbs. The easiest way to pick out low-carb veggies is to check for fiber and try to keep the starch content as low as possible. Top picks are kale, spinach, and broccoli. Not only do they provide a great source of protein, but their carbohydrate levels are much lower than other fruit and vegetables. There's no need to feel like your keto lifestyle limits you. Even though you want to pay attention to the keto guidelines, you still have a lot of choices and variety. You can eat these foods on a keto diet without having to worry about going over your carb allowance or getting tired of the same boring food each day. Pick up your free delicious keto recipe book, first link in the description. Thank you for watching, and to get future videos subscribe to our channel today.